What's up guys, welcome to Gary Classes. I'm here to share with you some tips on what to do before your exams. As a student, I know how important it is to be well prepared for exams to achieve good grades. So, I've put together some tips and strategies that have worked for me and I believe they will work for you too. Let's dive right in. Tip 1: Review your notes. The first tip is to review your notes. Go through all the notes you've taken throughout the semester and make sure you understand everything. Identify any areas that you're unsure about and seek clarification from your teacher or classmate. This will help you to refresh your memory and ensure that you have a solid understanding of the material. Tip 2: Make a study plan. The second tip is to make a study plan. Once you've reviewed your notes, create a study plan that covers all the important topics. Divide your time according to the amount of material you need to cover and the time you have left before the exam. This will help you to manage your time effectively and avoid cramming. Tip 3: Practice with previous exam papers. The third tip is to practice with previous exam papers. Practice makes perfect, and there's no better way to prepare for an exam than by practicing with previous exam papers. This will give you an idea of what to expect in the exam and help you to identify any weak areas that you need to work on. Tip 4: Get enough sleep. The fourth tip is to get enough sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep the night before the exam. This will help you to feel fresh and alert during the exam. Avoid staying up late or pulling an all-nighter, as this can affect your concentration and memory. Tip 5: Eat a healthy breakfast. The fifth tip is to eat a healthy breakfast. Make sure you eat a nutritious breakfast on the day of the exam. This will give you the energy you need to concentrate and perform well. Avoid eating anything heavy or greasy that might make you feel sluggish or uncomfortable during the exam. Tip 6: Arrive early. The sixth tip is to arrive early. Arrive at the exam venue at least 30 minutes before the start of the exam. This will give you enough time to settle in, relax, and get mentally prepared. Rushing to the exam venue can cause unnecessary stress and affect your performance. Tip 7: Read the instructions carefully. The seventh tip is to read the instructions carefully. Before you start the exam, read the instructions carefully and make sure you understand them. This will help you to avoid making any silly mistakes or misinterpreting the questions. Tip 8: Manage your time. The eighth tip is to manage your time effectively. Divide your time according to the number of questions and the marks allocated to each question. This will help you to ensure that you have enough time to answer all the questions and avoid running out of time. Tip 9: Stay calm. The ninth tip is to stay calm. Exams can be stressful, but it's important to stay calm and compose. Take deep breaths, stretch your muscles, and try to relax. Don't panic if you encounter a difficult question. Move on to the next question and come back to it later if you have time. Tip 10: Believe in yourself. The final tip is to believe in yourself. Confidence is key when it comes to exams. Believe that you have prepared well and that you can do well. Visualize yourself succeeding and achieving the grades you want. This will help you to stay positive and motivated during the exam. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope these tips will help you to prepare well and get the grades you want in your exams. Remember, success comes with hard work and dedication, so keep pushing yourself to be the best you can be. If you have any other tips or strategies that have worked for you, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.